How to create a Google form redirect. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to create and redirect for Google Form. First thing you have to do is go to forms.google.com or Google Docs /forms. I'm going to go to apps and simply search for forms. Now, once you open it up, you can just go ahead and open any of your form that you want to publish or that you have already published. So here I've got the recent form for a contact information. So as you can see here, what happens is if I just go ahead and copy its link, see its preview, and enter your details. So let me just go ahead and enter your detail. Once you have done that, you could just go ahead and click on submit. So let me just go ahead and enter all of these, and then click on submit. All right, so once that is done, you can get the responder to follow your link. So let's say if you want to lead them to any other product page or anywhere, you're going to head over to settings, then scroll down until you find the responses. And right below that, you have presentation. Then here you have after submission, you can get the confirmation message. So what I'm going to do is edit this. So instead of this message, I'm going to type in something like, you can claim your gift here, and then just paste the link here. So for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and paste in Google's site. And once you have done that, you can just go ahead and publish this again. All right, so let's just save this. And let me just go ahead and open up this form. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it right here. Open the form, fill out the details. So let me just go ahead and fill these out. Then enter address, phone number. That's not necessary. So I'm just going to click on submit. And as you can see here it would say your gift. You can claim a gift here. Click on the link and it will redirect you to this page. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.